Turning now to the growing conflict in the Middle East, huge fireballs rose over Beirut overnight as Israel continued its relentless airstrikes against the militant group Hezbollah. This morning, Israel also bombed a road used by thousands of civilians trying to flee Lebanon, leaving a massive crater. MTS Tayeb reports from Beirut.
Israel's overnight bombing campaign near Beirut's main airport was so intense, it shook the city. By morning, the devastation was clear to see. The Israeli military hasn't said what it was targeting, but Lebanese media suggest it was a potential successor to Hassan Nasrallah, the longtime Hezbollah leader who was assassinated in a similar Israeli strike here exactly 1 week ago. In that week, at least 417 people have been killed in Israeli ground and air attacks, according to Lebanese health officials, including American Kamal Ahmed Jawad from Dearborn, Michigan, a volunteer who was killed in an airstrike in southern Lebanon, according to his family. In a statement, the White House said it was deeply saddened by Jawad's death. The skyrocketing casualties are pushing Lebanon's already frail healthcare system to the brink. At least 40 paramedics and firefighters have also been killed in Israeli strikes in just the past 3 days, said the country's health minister, raising fears the system could collapse, says emergency doctor Ziad Abu al-Anaim.
Our greatest fear is to receive a very big number of the patients and you cannot deal with them.
As a doctor, that must be really painful.
Yes, because we saw what happened in Gaza and we don't want it to happen here.
Are you afraid that that's what's going to happen?
Yes.
In southern Lebanon, where Israeli strikes are only intensifying, Israel issued evacuation orders to residents of 24 towns and villages, raising fears a full-scale ground invasion is imminent.
And President Joe Biden said more needed to be done to avoid a wider war from spreading across the Middle East after Israel vowed to retaliate against Iran's Tuesday ballistic missile attack, which was triggered by the assassination of Hezbollah leader Hassan Nasrallah 1 week ago. Gayle.
Thank you, MTS Tayeb, reporting from Beirut.